Good morning, everyone. The Frunk kit has arrived. The Frunk itself is still inside. This is the hardware you need to install. Very detailed manual, so this shouldn't be too hard. Famous last words. Let's get a Frunk installed. Always first make a cup of coffee. So I've installed all the points but one, because that one fell in the bottom. It needs to go over here. It fell down there and I cannot get it out for the life of me. I felt it though. So what I'm gonna try now is to drive the car a bit forward, brake hard, and hope it shoots out to the front and I can pick it up again. But it's an aluminium bolt, so it doesn't. I can't get it with my magnetic stick. But all in all, looks good. Good instructions, good quality. I bought this at Frunk.at, not sponsored. I'm a genius. It worked. So now we can put in that last screw, and there's the Frunk. It should fit right up. Let's mount it. I use a torque wrench, and this bolt needs to be torqued to 6 Newton meters. Get it started. And from what I've seen on the booklet, that's 6 already. It should go as low as it can. So it's nice and tight. Let's fit up the Frunk. So the Frunk is in. All in all, this took around 15 minutes if you don't account for the failure with the fallen down screw. Good product, Frunk.at. I really like it. This is for when you have a problem, they know where to cut. I'll leave that in for now. But yeah, looks nice. Great success. I must say a gas strut would be nice if you are using the Frunk a lot, because now every time you have to hold up the bonnet manually or use the stick. So first one who builds a gas strut for these will get my business. Get to it, people. Put the charging cable in and an extension cord. I think I can even get the charging cable for a Schuko charging cable in there if I pack it a bit more neatly. But I wanted to show you how it looks once it's in. Quick update on the Alpine. It's now at a little over 3,500 immediate 3,522 kilometers. These are the startup sounds. Very cool. Yeah, car's functioning perfectly again. Was helped very good by Stam, and I could drop by. They fixed the car, and now it's running perfectly. I must say I do not let anything plugged in, not even a USB, because I'm a bit scared that it will go wrong again. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can wholeheartedly recommend the Frunk.at Frunk for the Renault 5 and Alpine A290. Quality product. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. It's December, it's the Christmas spirit. Let's help each other. Give it a thumbs up if you found this at least a bit interesting. Bye.